Alright y'all, we are going to take the 2021 Crosstrek Limited for a spin. You might be wondering, first thing, is it faster? And I believe the answer is just barely, and it's enough. I believe it's what we're looking for, and what you all have been hoping and wishing for. If you saw our previous video with the drag race against the 2021, you know that this vehicle definitely has more power and more torque, and makes a big difference in taking off and in launches and any sort of scenario. Even if you're off-road, I believe this motor is going to do what you always thought this car was capable of doing, and it is going to make it a lot more of a enjoyable driving experience. So immediate throttle off the line is a lot quicker. In the 2.0s, you used to take off the line and it would just feel like you're not going to make it across an intersection, like someone's going to T-bone you. This vehicle doesn't have that problem. And even at higher speeds, you still feel like you have a little more torque, a little more power to get going. This model is equipped with Eyesight, has lane departure and active lane centering, so when it's active, the vehicle will drive itself. Now this is a great nifty feature for road trips, driving alone, if you're a distracted driver or you text or do any of those things. Eventually you get the warning on screen and it is going to cut you off. It's not like the old school ones like the Infiniti has that'll drive forever, or like a Tesla that'll keep driving. It's not self-driving. Eventually I'm going to have to put input on the wheel, or else it is going to cancel. So it's going to try to cancel it here in just a moment. Put a little input and it's engaged again. So I'm not sure exactly how much you get away with there, maybe 30 seconds. Have to time it. However, it's a great system. It's getting good, y'all. This active lane centering and lane departure, everything is getting really good with these vehicles. I'm happy. I like this. If I was on a road trip, I enjoy it. Especially when you get tired, if you're doing a 1,000-mile trip, something like that. This is great. Not bad. That's just in drive. I'm not in manual mode right now. The car does have noticeably more power. I'd say about, you know, definitely 30 more horsepower noticeable. You don't really feel it too much in the butt dyno area. It doesn't kick you into the back of your seat at all. Like, not even remotely kick you into the back of your seat. However, it is just a little more torquey and continuous in its thrust. Especially, we all know the continuous variable transmission in these kind of limits some of the feel in that. I mean, you can put it in manual, try to mimic the gears, whatnot. So the car's gonna brake for me. That is how Eyesight works. Heck yeah, buddy, good job. I just want to show you, that's why these are incredibly safe machines. I almost didn't even have to think twice about that guy coming up quick. Even though I myself may be slightly distracted and filming a video, it's great to know that this system has your back. So, do you want to talk about the steering wheel? I think it feels great. I like the orange stitching. The little thumb spots are spot on. No pun intended. I just think it fits. It fits pretty good. It's not like the STI wheel or WRX wheel. However, it's still sporty. And it is a little more soft to the touch than some of the other years of past leather steering wheels in the Crosstrek. And I know some of you all can attest to that. So I'm going to be completely honest about the sound insulation. I still hear the road, I still hear the tires, I still hear the cars passing. It's a little bit better, it seems like, however, not a vast improvement. I'm going about 60. If I was chatting with somebody right now, we could still have a leisurely conversation. So it's improved, just not vastly improved. You can still hear the road noise and everything is still coming through the cabin. Not like the old school, 2013 XV days, what have you. I think it is a great improvement. Just not luxury. I wouldn't call this luxury sound improvement or sound insulation. So again, with the Eyesight, it's tracking the car in front of me. It's gonna brake. When this gentleman comes to a brake, full stop, the car's gonna come to a full stop. I do gotta say the 18-inch wheels feel great so far. I kind of like, I don't know, they just feel a little more connected, a little more sporty. And they look better aesthetically. I mean, that's got to be a plus for some of y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this quick content on the 2021 Crosstrek, not much has changed other than the motor and just some of the aesthetics. The wheels are cool, the horsepower is great, and overall I think this is exactly what the car needed. So if y'all enjoyed this content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified when my new videos come out, and I'll catch you all next week.